Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 Rose입니다. And today we're gonna study about easy Korean words. 오늘은 저희가 쉬운 한글 단어들에 대해서 공부해 볼 거예요. Then let's have a look. 그럼 한번 볼까요? Headline, 여러 가지 받침 복습. 세 번째. So, 여러 가지 받침. 받침 is ending consonants and 복습 means review. So this is kind of review session. 여러 가지 받침, many kinds of ending consonants review. 그림을 보고 무엇인지 말한 뒤 받침이 들어간 낱말을 따라했어요. So first one, 첫 번째로 this is 빛. 이것은 빛입니다. Because 비읍 plus E is I and 시옷 is 빛. We're writing 빛. So 빛 is comb. Comb in Korean is 빛. And next, this is 속옷. 이것은 속옷입니다. So here is 시옷. 소 plus O is 소 plus ending consonant. 기억 is 속. And 옷. O plus 시옷 ending consonant. 시옷 is D. So this is 속옷. We're writing 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 속옷 is underwear. Underwear in Korean is 속옷. And next, this is 팥죽. 이것은 팥죽입니다. Because 피읍 P plus A is A, 티읕 is D, and 지읒 J, and U is U, and 기억 ending consonant, 기억 받침 기억은 G. 따라서 이것은 팥죽입니다. We're writing 팥죽 is red bean stew. Because red bean in Korean is 팥. Red bean in Korean is 팥, and stew in Korean is, or porridge in Korean is 죽. So red bean stew is 팥죽. Alright? Next. And this is soup. 이것은 soup입니다. Because 시옷 S plus U 수 plus ending consonant 피읍 수에서 받침 피읍이 붙어서 받침 피읍은 B로 소리를 납니다. 따라서 이것은 soup입니다. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟. Soup is forest. In Korean is soup. Rainforest. Next, this is 햇빛. pronunciation is heat, H, and A is A, E, and ending consonant 받침 시옷은 D로 소리 납니다. 따라서 head and 비읍 plus I, EI plus and 치읓 받침 치읓이 D로 소리 납니다. 따라서 headbeat, headbeat. Headbeat is sun, sun. Or you can say also sunshine. Sunshine in Korean also headbeat. Sun or sunshine. Headbeat, headbeat. Next, last one. This is 밥솥, 밥솥. Because 비읍, B plus A is A, and 받침, 비읍 ending consonant, 비읍 is B. 밥, 밥, and then 시옷, S, plus O is O, 티읕 is, it pronounce D. Ending consonant, 티읕, 받침, 티읕은 D로 소리 납니다. So this is 밥솥, 밥솥. 따라서 이것은 밥솥입니다. Okay? Because 밥 is rice. So 밥솥 is rice cooker. Rice cooker in Korean is 밥솥. 밥솥. Rice is 밥. In Korean is 밥. So I'm gonna speak everything one more time. 빗 is comb. Comb in Korean is 빗. And underwear in Korean is 속옷. 속옷. And red bean stew in Korean is 팥죽. 팥죽. And forest in Korean is soup. Soup. And sun, sunshine in Korean is 햇빛. 햇빛. And rice cooker in Korean is 밥솥. 밥솥. So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 그럼 다음에 봐요, 여러분. Bye.